How to change password in Netflix on TV. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your password on Netflix on TV. First, log in to your Netflix account. Head to the profile icon in the top right corner and click Account. Then select the Change Password option on the right section of your screen. Next, enter your current password, new password, and then confirm new password. If you want to make sure that everyone who is currently signed in to your account is logged out, then make sure you tick Require all devices to sign in again with a new password. Next, click Save Changes. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.